If you want to change the text size on your OnePlus Watch 4, all you have to do is on the home screen, simply swipe down from the top to access the control center, and then tap on the settings wheel icon from here. And then within the settings, scroll down and select display and brightness, tap on it, and then scroll down until you find text size. Here it is, tap on it, and then now you can adjust the text size from here. So you can tap on the minus icon to reduce it, and then you can see applying non-default text size will significantly reduce your watch's battery life. So you can check on that, and you can now reduce it to whatever size you want. If you'd like to increase it, you can simply do that as well. Now, you can also do this from the application, the O Health application on your phone. So all you have to do is grab the phone that is currently paired to your OnePlus Watch and open the O Health application, and then tap on device at the bottom right corner. And then from here, tap on more. And then from here, all you have to do is select display and brightness, and then you should find the text size from here. So you can simply use this slider icon to increase it. And then keep in mind that using a non-default font, will affect the battery life. So if you want to switch, simply tap on OK. And then now you can reduce it to whatever size you'd like. So you can increase it or reduce it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.